I'm not moving. I told you, I'm not moving.
I'm not moving either.
Okay, thank you. Think you're a thug?
No, I was on the front cover.
Because you see me driving. You think I'm nobody, so you think you can disrespect me.
News and I don't give a I'm like that.
I don't care if you're on the daily news.
I don't give a
You like that with your boyfriend, not with me. You don't know me. You do not know me.
You don't know me and you talking crazy to me.
All right, so don't talk to me. Don't disrespect me.
You threatening me. I don't know y'all about you. Out here.
Yeah, whatever.
Go back to your country.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robi Masaga. Today I want us to discuss about this disturbing video that I've just watched where a woman was attacking an Uber driver. It's very shocking to see women acting that way. And we are the same people who always go out there complaining about how we are being, mistreated, being oppressed by men. Why would you go out there and provoke someone? Because we all know that men are stronger than women. You are alone in that Uber and you want to provoke that man. What if he decides to do something bad to you? What can you do? Who will you blame? Anyway guys, let me show you the video here first. Then let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me if whatever this lady did was right. Yeah, let's watch. Then remember to subscribe, like, and also share this video.
Whatever. You just hit me. I'll call the cops and get you locked up.
I didn't hit you. I didn't hear. Call the cops.
So don't hit my car. Don't hit my car.
Call the cops. Do not let me out. Call the cops or take me to my man. Which one?
All right, I'll take you to a destination if you be quiet.
I got.
Do not disrespect me.
I promise you got something for you when you get there though.
Okay, so I'm not even going no more.
So see why you couldn't?
I swear to God, I'm not taking you.
Okay, so call the cops.
You call the cops. I'm not moving.
Take me.
I am not moving. I am not moving.
Okay, so call the cops.
I'm not moving.
Okay, I don't care. So call my boyfriend, tell me another Uber.
No, you call him. You call him.
You don't have a charger.
I'm not taking you. I'm not taking you. Get out of my car. You call him.
Tell me, all right, you want to play?
I don't care. I don't care.
Call the cops.
All right, we're gonna sit here.
You got 2 minutes of footage. I'm gonna tell him what you hit. You hit me in my face.
Yeah.
You hit me in my face.
Yeah.
And my boyfriend knows we was arguing.
Whatever. I'm not taking you.
Okay, thank you. My boyfriend's gonna think you hit me. You really playing with me.
I don't care. You can make up any lies you want. I'm not taking you no way. I'm not. You wanna call the cops? You call the cops. You have an issue. I don't have an issue.
You know I don't have a phone. I have it on the thing that I told my boyfriend.
Whatever, man. I'm not taking you.
Okay, so I'm gonna sit right here.
You threatening me? You hit me?
No, I did not hit you.
I'm not taking you.
So I'm sitting right here. You gonna call the cops? We gonna sit right here.
Yeah, we're gonna sit here. You got a problem? You call the cops. I'm not taking you.
Out the window that you raping me.
Yeah. This is what females do.
Dirtbag.
Thank you. I'm married. I don't do that.
All right, good for you.
I'm married and I'm a loyal husband. I don't do that.
Yeah, right.
I'm not taking you.
Okay, I'm glad. So you better call the cops.
You call the cops.
No.
I'm not moving. I told you. I'm not moving.
I'm not moving either.
Okay. Thank you. Think you're a thug?
No, I was on the front cover.
Because you see me driving. You think I'm nobody, so you think you can disrespect females do.
Dirtbag.
Thank you. I'm married. I don't do that.
All right, good for you.
I'm married and I'm a loyal husband. I don't do that.
Yeah, right.
I'm not taking you.
Okay, I'm glad. So you better call the cops.
You call the cops.
No.
I'm not moving. I told you. I'm not
moving either.
Okay. Thank you. Think you're a thug?
No, I was on the front cover.
Because you see me driving. You think I'm nobody, so you think you can disrespect me.
I'm like that.
I don't care if you're on the daily news.
I don't give a
You like that with your boyfriend, not with me. You don't know me. You do not know me.
And you talking crazy to me.
All right, so don't talk to me. Don't disrespect me.
You threatening me. I don't know y'all about you. Out here.
Yeah, whatever.
Go back to your country.
Thank you.
Donald Trump go send you and your family back.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Get out of my car now.
I'm not getting out your car.
Okay, we're gonna sit here.
Call my boyfriend, tell him to send another Uber.
We're gonna sit here.
Okay.
Why should I call him?
Because now you're trying to leave me stranded.
Yeah, you shouldn't be talking. You shouldn't be talking. You shouldn't be disrespecting me.
It's cool.
You disrespect me, I'm not taking you. And you threatening me. You telling me if I get there, there is something waiting for me. So I'm not going.
But listen, you don't.
I don't care how much you make. I don't care how much you make.
You say he's trying to threaten you. You don't need to threaten you. But you're trying to leave me stranded. Knowing he paid already, and I'm trying to, and I have a phone to call him.
I'm not taking you.
Okay, so call him and tell him.
I'm not calling nobody.
So you're gonna stay right here and you're gonna start screaming until somebody calls the cops.
Sure. You can go over there and ask somebody to call the cops. I'm not moving.
I don't care. So you're gonna be sitting here.
You shouldn't be talking. You shouldn't be. Yeah, I don't mind. I work for myself.
Okay.
I'm self-employed. So.
You're
missing it out. Yeah, go ahead.
Get all your information.
Thank you. Go ahead.
And I'm getting out your car and I'm gonna violate it. You can show it to the cops.
If you do whatever you gotta do.
Hi.
Do whatever you gotta do. I got you.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you. I'll kick your phone in your face.
Yeah. Get on my car. Get on my car.
Can you call the cops, please? He won't. My phone is dead. He won't call the cops. Please call the cops.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you call the cops, police? Yeah. Call police.
Police, yeah, police, yeah. Go ahead. I don't care. I don't care what you're saying. The door is on.
You hit me in my face. I want the cops.
Yeah.
You only been recorded for 6 minutes. Look how long I've been in your car for.
Yeah. I think I'm stupid. I've been working with Uber for over 2 years. I never had a problem.
Me either.
Yeah, so get out.
No.
You never take an Uber. You said that's your first time.
No, I said I have to take Lyft. I said Uber.
So go back with Lyft.
My first time Uber don't have a charger, I said.
If I don't have a charger, you ask me, I politely tell you I'm sorry, I don't have a charger. No, and you start disrespecting me.
You have to play, you say, oh, I don't have one. Okay, cool.
Alright, get out my car.
I'm not getting out until you call the cops.
You have a phone. You can go anywhere and call the cops.
You didn't want to charge it for me.
How am I gonna charge your phone if I don't have a charger? How?
Okay.
How? I don't have to have a charger.
Okay.
I don't have an iPhone. I don't have to have a charger.
Okay.
Right.
You do. That's part of you're supposed to.
Nope. I'm not supposed to. I'm supposed to take you from point A to point B. I'm not supposed to give you a charger. Okay?
Okay, good for you.
So get out of my car, man.
Get out.
I'm not taking you, miss. I'm not taking you nowhere.
No problem.
Get out of my car. Report TLC, report to anybody you want. I'm not taking you.
I'm gonna leave my
See the stupid. This is why you don't take a whole right. See what she did? Stupid Bronx. Disrespectful. See people? You see females, right? I'm not saying all the females though. Some like this. Hot. This is uptown New York, man. Bronx. There are stupid out here, man. Sorry for my language. This is how Uber drivers goes through every day, man. People disrespect us, talk to us like it's nothing, man. See? Guess welcome to New York.
So this lady got into an argument with this Uber driver because he didn't have a charger and she wanted to charge her phone. And first, let me just ask this. Are Uber drivers supposed to, or are they required to have chargers for their customers, or was this lady tripping? And instead of her trying to resolve whatever misunderstanding they had with this Uber driver, she started hurling insults on him, and she even became violent to him. Why, ladies? Why? This is a man, he's a stranger, you don't know him, you've never met him. That is his car. He can even decide to do anything to you. He can even unalive you, and no one will ever know. Why would you go and why would you just start insulting a stranger? And women always complain. You always complain about men are disrespectful, how they are being violent to you, and this is how you behave. You go out there and you start provoking a stranger, and you think that people will come to your rescue after you've provoked him. This is so wrong. I'm just surprised at how calm this guy was, because if he wanted, he would call police on this woman, and she was stupid to act the way she acted. If at all the guy decided to call police, trust you me, this woman would go to jail because she was on the wrong. Why act that way to a stranger? Just why? Why? And we're the first people who always come out here crying, complaining about how men are being disrespectful, about how men are cruel, about how men are this and that. And we are the same people who are provoking them. You even go to an extent where you're provoking a stranger, someone that you barely know. You've just met him, all because he didn't have a charger for you. His charger, it's not even your charger, his charger. He didn't have a charger for you to charge your phone. How important was it for you to charge that phone? Well, maybe it was important for her. Maybe she was waiting for an important call or even a text. But still, the moment that guy said that he didn't have a charger, just understand and wait until you get home. You don't have now to start being violent and start acting physical to a stranger, a total stranger. I'm very surprised at how she acted to a stranger. If she can act that way to a stranger, then tell me, how does she act with someone she knows well? Just how does she act? Because clearly this is a violent woman. I'm just surprised at how calm this guy was. If I was the Uber driver, I would call police on her. She deserves to go to jail, spend some time there for her to learn a lesson. You don't act that way to people. This also shows how people often treat service workers. We've seen customers being disrespectful, being abusive to strangers, to someone who is simply doing their work. And when they hurt you, you go out there complaining. You come on social media, you now start tainting their name. And it's majority of customers out here are the ones who provoke these people. These people they're simply doing their job. You don't have to provoke them. You don't have to. I believe that some people who've been unalived out here, some of them, maybe they are the ones who provoked these people. Because we are human beings. You can't tell how someone is going to react when you poke them. You don't know how they will react. So it's just be humble. As long as that car is not your car, as long as that person, you don't know him or her, be calm, be humble. You being physical or you being violent can cost you a lot. You can even be unalived, or you can even be sent to jail for so many years. Treat others the way you'd want them to treat you. You don't have to be physical for you to prove a point. Whatever this lady did was wrong. And yeah, let me know guys what you think on the comment section. And remember to share this video, like, and also subscribe to this channel. And until next time, bye.